This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. Okay, so we're comparing the Weber Q1000 and the Nexgrill Deluxe 6-burner, huh? Let's dive in. The Weber is definitely the more portable option, right?
Absolutely. The Weber Q1000 weighs only 27.5 pounds, while the Nexgrill is a hefty 124.2 pounds. That Nexgrill is staying put once you assemble it.
Yeah, portability is a big factor for me, but what about cooking space? The Weber only has 189 square inches.
That's where the Nexgrill shines. It boasts a whopping 770 square inches of cooking space, plus a 200 square inch warming rack. You could cook for a whole party with that thing.
Wow, that's a huge difference. And the burners? The Weber has a single 8,500 BTU burner.
The Nexgrill has 6 main burners, each putting out 10,000 BTUs, plus a separate 15,000 BTU searing burner. That's a total of 75,000 BTUs. Seems like a lot of power.
Definitely more power. So for smaller cooks, the Weber is fine, but the Nexgrill is for serious grilling. What about materials?
The Weber has porcelain enameled cast iron grates and a cast aluminum lid and body. The Nexgrill uses porcelain-coated cast iron grates too, but the frame is alloy steel and the control panel is stainless steel.
Okay, so both have decent grates. Any special features that stand out?
The Nexgrill includes a rotisserie kit, which is pretty cool. It also has LED lit control dials, which is a nice touch for nighttime grilling, and an electric ignition. The Weber has a simple push-button ignition.
A rotisserie is nice, and the electric ignition is convenient, but the Weber is fully assembled out of the box, while the Nexgrill requires assembly.
True. And the price difference is significant. The Weber is around $229, while the Nexgrill is $699.
Yeah, that's a big jump. So it really comes down to size, power, and price. If you need portability and a smaller grill, the Weber is a good choice. But if you're looking at bigger parties and want all the features, and don't mind paying more, the Nexgrill seems like the way to go. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.